What is up, guys, and welcome to Kingaws0me's kitchen. I know I go by the Primal Natural, but it's AKA King Awesome. I gotta spit it to you like that. So here in Kingaws0me's kitchen, we're starting episode 1 off with my beautiful girlfriend here, Hannah. You know, why not? And we're doing some fired zucchini healthy zucchini bread. You gotta say zucchini twice in it, and it's funny. Alright, so what are we gonna do first? She's the brains behind all of it, and I'm gonna be the taste tester. I mean, I'll help, but...
Okay, so you have to preheat your oven to 350, so we already did that. We need the pan.
Pan.
And it's not really
Cupcakes in this pan.
A bread pan, but it's the closest thing to a bread pan we have. So we already preheated the oven.
We already did that.
You can do like it all. You can line it with parchment paper, but we're not gonna do that. Or should we? Or I don't really feel like it.
We're not gonna do that today.
Yeah, no. So we're just gonna put olive oil.
Olive oil. The extra virgin kind, alright?
Okay, so do you know how to oil up a pan?
No, but oh, are you doing it with that?
That's how you do it.
Alright.
Okay, so give me the pan.
Here's the pan.
So give me the thing.
Here's the thing.
Open it up.
Alright, open.
Okay, just dump a little bit. Just kind of olive oil.
Kingaws0me's kitchen is the bottom.
Okay.
She's oiling that up big time, let me tell you. Oh, it's getting hot in here.
Did you close it already, Levy?
Because you said it's on.
Oh, and I said maybe. Sorry.
Oh, you're getting it everywhere.
Okay.
She's getting it everywhere, folks.
You know what? That's how you make it good. There. So, those are greased and they're ready. Okay. So,
Beep,
the oven's
beep,
ready.
beep.
So, you can use coconut oil or you can use extra virgin olive oil. So, we're going to use olive oil and we need 1/3 of a cup.
1/3 of a cup of this extra virgin son of a gun.
So, we're doing 1/3 cup of olive oil. So,
1/3 cup.
do we have enough?
We gotta.
Uh-oh. We'll see.
Let's see. Let's break out the big guns. Cause
Is there another one?
maybe.
We don't have enough olive oil, so I think we're gonna melt some butter, put that in. I don't know if that'll even work, but we'll see. And then we need 1/2 cup of honey, which is kind of a lot, but you're not putting any sugar in, so.
You're not unless you are.
So.
Come on. That's a lot of honey.
You know.
That's all we're doing.
1/2 cup.
1/2 cup.
Butter, but it's gonna be.
So 1/6 of a cup.
Oh yeah. Okay, so.
Oh,
That should be it, but it's gonna be melted, so it's gonna be way less. And there's not a lot in this bowl.
Show them this mixture.
It's very little, like there's not a lot to beat. There you go. This is gonna suck if this doesn't work. Okay.
It's gonna work.
Okay.
So virgin olive oil is gonna be a little better for you,
But we had to use butter, even though we both should not have butter. So we need 2 eggs.
I'm a professional egg cracker, so I'll get
I
one.
am
You'll
too.
get one too. So there's 2 in there. Watch this, guys. Watch the technique. So.
You just got egg whites all over the floor.
No, I didn't.
No, just a little bit right
She's
here.
such a liar. She made it look not. That was so dope when you ruined it.
It was.
Oh wow. Oh my god.
I did it.
All right.
So now we're gonna.
Beat
We're gonna beat these. How long? Oh, until they're combined. Now we have to add the milk and the baking soda. So
We're gonna choose our select favorite kind of almond milk.
you can use any type of milk. You can use almond milk, regular milk, coconut milk, whatever. So we need 1/2 cup of what? We need 1/2 cup. So This is a cup, so I'm just gonna have to guess. This is where you add everything else besides the zucchini. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Perfect.
Perfect amount.
So we need a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Yeah.
Not like a crazy amount.
Compared to how much nutmeg we needed, it was a lot of cinnamon.
Okay, then we also need the salt. We have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So we're gonna do, oops.
Just do a little bit.
And then we need a 1/2 teaspoon of fine grained sea salt. I think this is basically that, so.
It's iodized salt, fine grain, so.
Perfect. Gotta start out slow because it is pretty liquidy.
Alright, be careful. Wow. That was pretty good.
Beat my speed up.
Oh, baby, watch. Alright. Well, that's an advantage then.
Yeah, you don't get an advantage. Careful, don't cut your hand, baby.
Ah!
Baby.
Okay.
I think I went faster. Anyways, okay. So this was about 1.5 zucchinis.
Yeah.
So that's a little bit. You should probably
More than a cup, so we'll do a little less. Half a cup.
Well, like we can add as much zucchini as we want.
I know.
You can add as much zucchini as you want. You can add less or more, whatever you want. So this is the rest of our zucchini.
Yeah.
There's still some. Okay, so we're gonna fill this 3/4 full. So now we just need a big spoon. Will you grab me a big spoon? And we're just gonna mix this. Oh yeah, Eric's gonna go ahead and mix it all in. I don't even know if there's gonna be enough to actually do a scoop. That should be easier. So, or when we're ready. So now, then if you wanted to, you can always sprinkle a little bit of ground cinnamon on top. I'm gonna do some. I'm gonna go with this real quick to kind of clean this up. So then it's
Put it in the oven.
pain to